Hello from my Gambia. Today we are cooking Chew Diw Tirr. I know you heard the name of chew, but this time we are using palm oil instead of groundnut oil. So let's get started. I have pounded the black pepper, garlic, onion. Add the palm oil and allow it to heat up. Mix it until it's caramelized. Now let's add our vegetables. For the catfish, I already cleaned them with hot water, lemon and salt, and also vinegar. Today the fish I have is catfish and red snapper, but it's optional, and also you can add any type of fish you want, or meat or fish ball. Our Chew Diw Tirr is ready. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to go and check out our other videos, and see you there.